coolest things about these. The work, the grind, the hustle. That's the dirt, baby. That's the dirt. The mission, the motive, the macro. That's the cloud, baby. In the cloud.
That's good.
First thing you see, the Gary Vee swoosh there, little Gary Vee signature. Very nice. Got the Gary Vee signature across the top there. The nice clouds and dirt stripes running across them. You know, break open these bad boys. Are y'all ready? Clouds, that's what you're working on. The mission, the motive, the macro. Man, when you're doing the dirt, just like it says, boys, the hustle, that's the grind, baby. That's how it starts, though. That's how we all start. I don't care who you are. This was all given to you. If you got it, then you hustle, you grind, and you work hard to get it. That's what these shoes represent for me. It's just like the new stuff that everyone else is using now, you know? Just that very, really soft. Dirt, baby. Clouds and dirt. Man, see how much more dirt there is than clouds? Gotta do a lot of dirt.